Hey everyone, I am Anamika Jha. I am a second year law student at IIT University, Patna. Currently, I am working as a legal intern at Lexis & Company for the month of June and July. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss the Maratha reservation judgment. So, let us begin with the background of the case. The issue for reservation for Marathas was there since 1980s, especially after the judgment of Indra Sahni versus Union of India. There was an uproar by the Marathas for demanding reservation in jobs and education. Considering the same issue, the state of Maharashtra passed an ordinance in the year 2014 and gave reservation to the Marathas for 16%, and for the Muslims it was exceeded to 5%. The ordinance was challenged in the Bombay High Court but got upheld. After years of struggles and rallies, the Maharashtra State Reservation for SEBC Act in 2018 passed both in the State Assembly and Council. The Act was again challenged in the Bombay High Court, but the court held its decision that the Act is valid but reduced the quota to 12, which was earlier 16%, after which the case was challenged in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court referred this issue to a larger constitutional bench. The constitutional bench framed 6 issues regarding this issue. The first issue was that whether the Indra Sahni judgment needs to be relooked by the larger constitutional bench. The second issue was that whether the Maharashtra State Reservation for SEBC has made by exceptional circumstances. Third issue was that whether the Gaikwad Commission report has made out a case for existence of extraordinary and exceptional situation which fall under the exceptions made under the Indra Sahni judgment. The fourth issue was that whether the 102nd Amendment Act of the Constitution deprives the state to legislate its power to legislate any act for determining the SEBC class. The fifth issue was that whether the state's power to legislate in relation to any backward classes provided under Article 15, Clause 4 and 16, Clause 4 is in any way abridged by Article 342A read with Article 366, Clause 26 and Subclause C of the Constitution. The sixth issue was that whether Article 342A of the Constitution abrogates states' power to legislate or classify any backward classes of citizens. On 5th May 2021, the judgment was pronounced. The bench viewed the issue number 1, 2 and 3 were unanimous. They held that 50% reservation should not be reconsidered. The Gaikwad Commission or the SEBC has failed to lay out an extraordinary situation to fall within the exception of this limit. However, the bench had dissenting opinions regarding the issue number 4, 5 and 6. If you guys have any issue regarding this video, you can comment below in the comment box, and for legal updates, please like and subscribe the channel.